Triangular bandage and an ankle injury. First, place the middle of the bandage by the instep and bring the two ends to firmly cross under the arch. Next, cross the two ends at the back of the leg. Next, insist the end through the diagonal at the side of the bandaging. Fold the ends outward and upward. Tie with the knot secure. Neatly tuck in the excess parts of the bandage. Triangular bandage and an ankle injury.